No way.
It rained at the house there, and then so I was like, okay, I'll give it some time. So then I drove right into the storm again. So good news there. But I brought the Harbinger to test out and the jigs to test out. So I don't really know, we'll see. This is just a spot, short fishing. It's nothing fancy. There's like a deck there for handicapped access, even though there's no stairs or anything to get there. So anyway, I'm gonna toss these around for a little bit, see what they do in the water, and then I'll take you along for the ride. Not expecting any fish or anything like that. Just wanted to get out of the house and hopefully stay away from people. So we'll see. I'm gonna bring my mask in my pocket just in case. I see some people, but I doubt anybody's gonna come up to me now. If they do, whatever, you know, it is what it is. Try and do your best to stay away from people and everything, and see where it goes. So let's try them out. Can I get down to the water over there? Probably be better to get down to the water over there. Oh, this is much better than up on top. I think I just blew up that guy's crappie fishing spot. We'll check it out. Let's try the Harbinger first. Because why the hell not, eh? Oh, mayfly hatch. See what she looks like in the water there. Float's good. Oh. Oh, that weighs 40,000 pounds. It's a dive. It's running straight. Woo, look at that. I don't know if you'll be able to see it very well. Pump, pump. You hear it busting off the rocks. Oh, that's working pretty darn well. Oh, that's thunder. It's popping off the rocks pretty well. Comes up to the surface. Seems to run true second you get it out there. Hasn't got the bounces and then runs true again. So it's doing a good job. Still floating out there too. Tail hasn't got caught. Lip's getting beat up pretty good, but I kind of expected that to happen. I don't know if you can see it out there, but once you stop it, it comes back up. It looks pretty good. I'm not gonna lie, guys. And gals, the two that watch me. Hi, Mom. Looks pretty good. Got a nice, pretty tight wobble, but oh yeah. I think this one might be a success story. Running over logs, rocks. Successful. Pretty happy with that. Now, touchdown. This got a copic on it. That's what that yellow one is. It's gonna be hard to show you guys that. It's spreading out. Let's try and work it and see how it does on rocks. See how that, oh, look at that. Ooh, you see that down there? Right there. Right about there. There's a crawfish. Oh, I put that right in the weeds. Or into the rocks. Come on, really? The first fucking one? Oh, I got it back out. It's a pretty good test to her. No damage. I don't really think there's any bass or anything in here. Could be a pike or something, but a little crayfish in there. I didn't even know there was crawfish in this place, but it's good to know. No way. No way. Are you kidding me? Are you kidding me? No way. That's awesome. That's hilarious. That is absolutely hilarious. Oh, nice little tank there. The old touchdown with the copic. See ya. Oh, little 1 pound, maybe 1.5 pound bass there. I didn't even know there were bass in here, but apparently he liked the copic. This is, I haven't shown this one off yet. This is the copic here. It's a little smaller kind of trailer for a jig. It's got little fins off of the back there, but that's crazy. The old touchdown in bluegill, so I'm gonna just rig that back up. Try it again. I have no idea if this even goes anywhere, but it must go somewhere. People are walking it. Can't get poison ivy in here. I can tell. Ow. Like boats are nice.